your girl, Mrs. K Kreations, coming back to you guys on another beautiful Thursday for Peekaboo wig review. Alright, y'all. The wig that I'm going to be showing y'all today is really, really pretty. And I really, really like the color. And she just came out not too long ago. But you guys, before we get into this video and the wig review, I'm going to tell you guys I will be leaving the link to this beautiful unit I'm going to be showing you guys today in the description box. And also, I will be leaving my K-Gang timestamps below as well, so you can click the certain time that you want to see and what sections you want to see and go straight to it so you ain't got to waste too much time, alright, in this wig review. Okay, y'all? Now, the wig unit that we are going to see today is this beautiful unit right here by Outre. And she is a beautiful crimp wave wig, y'all. And I'm super excited because this is the wig unit Safira, however you want to say it. And I have her in the beautiful color Cinnamon Spice. Yes, y'all, this is the front of the card, of the stock card, and this is the back of the stock card with all those other beautiful colors on there. I hope the camera is in focus, y'all. This wig is beautiful. It is an asymmetrical wig too, so one side's longer than the other one. I love wigs like that. All right, now the specs of this wig that is pre-plucked, lace parting. It has natural baby hairs. It is HD transparent lace. And as I said before, it is a crimp wave style wig, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. All right, you guys. And I'm super excited about this wig because I cannot wait to see what she's going to look like on my head. I've been wanting the Cinnamon Spice wig from Outre for a minute, but I'm like, how's it gonna look on my skin tone? We gonna see. We gonna see, y'all. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this specs and the visual try-on of this wig unit. And after all of that beautiful wonderfulness, y'all, I'm going to give you my thoughts on this beautiful wig unit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try on Cinnamon Spice. All right, let's go. to expect. Very nice, y'all. What y'all think? I really like it. And I love this crimp curl in this wig, honey. Yes, 3 snaps. Got to cover up the grades, y'all. That's from age, okay? Ain't nobody trying to pretend to be young. I'm not young. But yeah, I like this wig. Yes, honey. Yes. All right, y'all. Now, let's get into the cons of this wig. Trying to think. What would be the cons? Okay, the parting space. The parting space is a little bit like narrow, if that's what I'm trying to say. It looks like it's going to have to be plucked. To me, it looks like it may need to be plucked a little bit. And I don't know what this bumpy, is that the weave right there? And then the combs, the side tabs, I guess because of it's an asymmetrical type of wig, them combs, honey, are all the way over here. There's one comb there, and then the other one's all the way over here above my ear. And then you got your tabs right there. So them combs is like, whew, which I think is okay. I guess it's okay, but. And then you got a little humpage in the back, so you may have to get your hot comb, ladies, for those that like put heat on their hair. I'm not one of them. But y'all go ahead and put that on heat on there, pluck that part, put your concealing powder on in there. Cover up your grays if you have any, like me. And this wig is pretty, I like it. And I can actually see the baby hairs in this one that I did in Elena or Alana. I had to find them jots. But I like it though. I like it. And the pros of this wig is that it's nice and full. You'll think it'll be kind of thin, but it's not. It got some girth over here, honey. It's a little bit thick on this side. You got a little girth over there, but most of it's on this side of the hair. And I likes that. That makes the crumple wave come out a little bit more kind of exotic and sexy at the same time. You know what I mean? I like it. And it's soft. Very, very soft. The HD lace is nice if it was a little bit wider. Like if you look up under the wig when you saw it in the visual specs, you would think that they would have made that a little bit wider, but I don't know what's going on right there. Maybe that's stopping it from them, you know, making it a little bit wider. But if that was a little bit wider, and this is a nice wig, I mean, I could still work with this. I can work with this, honey. I could work with this. Yeah, just flip the hair. Yes. I like it. Yes, 3 snaps. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And what else is some good pros about this hair? Not a lot of shedding, but you're not going to get a lot of shedding out of a short style wig because it's short. You're going to get most of your shedding from wigs that are long and curly, or just long, period. Long synthetic wigs tends to shed a little bit more than short wigs. Now, I will say that this, I wish it was like a little bump in there. Maybe that's just my preference. I could put it in there myself, but I'm just going to work with it, with what it got there. I like this wig, y'all. It's very pretty. Can't wait to glam this up. Now, if y'all want to see me glam up this beautiful unit, you're going to have to tune in to me on Thursday to watch my glam it up, honey, because I am absolutely loving this hair. I'm trying to see what kind of makeup look I'm going to do with this. I don't know. We'll see, won't we? Come back on Thursday. For my big head beauties, I would say I have a medium-sized head, and it's okay. It's not like super loose on my head. So I think this can be kind of big head friendly for my big head beauties out there. Now you may have to, you know, take out the adjustable straps back there to put it on. But if y'all feel any snugness of this wig, honey, take it off. We don't want y'all passing out in the street. Okay, trying to look cute. Just take it off. Loosen them straps. But be cautious. It's not super tight on my head. It's comfortable on my head. And I have a medium-sized head, so it could go on my big head beauties. Okay, just be cautious, all right? Just be very, very cautious, honey. We don't want you getting hurt. Okay, we love you. All right. Now, Thank y'all for watching this video till the very end. You guys, now do something for your girl. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so YouTube will know that you actually enjoyed this wig review. Okay, y'all? It doesn't cost you nothing to click that thumbs up button. Y'all be so quick to press that thumbs down button, though. Y'all don't even hesitate to press that button. It's cool. It's cool. If you don't like somebody's stuff, don't even waste your energy pressing the down button. Just move on to the next review, honey. But that's just me. But y'all, thank y'all for watching my video. And as I always say to y'all, y'all stay safe out there. Stay prayed up. Stay colorful, honey. Yes, 3 snaps. And as always, you guys, stay crafty. Much love, everyone. I love y'all. Thank God and bless every last one of y'all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.